up, YouTube? It's your boy Javon, man. I'm back with another hot banger, man. So today I'm finna prank my lady real quick. She outside with the phone people. So I'm finna put the cigarette and fake call blood up and see her reaction. What she gonna do? See if she care about her nigga or not. See if she can call the pair of manners or not. We gonna see right now. Y'all stay tuned.
Okay. Okay. No, thank you for all your info. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much. You too. Okay. Hey, what's wrong? I'm not trained to take care of you if you're dying. What'd you do? What's wrong? Babe. You need to drink some water in your life. Where's there? Top or the bottom? Push it? Are you gonna throw up? Do you like this? Stop playing! Stop! I fucking hate you! Why do you do this to me? Oh! I hate you!
I got you.
Oh my god! I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
I got look out my mouth. I got you, baby.
Yes! You're a terrible person.